Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at this man box. That's right, a man box. It's kind of a generic gift box for, whatever kind of special occasion, for a guy. It says right here, Boxzie, B-O-X-Z-I-E, smiles guaranteed. We're going to be taking a look at this. But before we do, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring that notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. Riveting like this. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are here with a man box. Yeah, man box. Generic brown paper box. It's got man box right here. And it, like I said, it does say Boxzie, B-O-X-Z-I-E, smiles guaranteed. But on the back here, it does have like a UPC kind of a sticker that says, man gift box for his birthday, filled with fun gift ideas, new, made in China. And it says that, you can suffocate yourself on the bag. I don't know if that's part of the gift, but I don't know. So we're going to open this thing up and we're going to see what it's all about. I have no link for you because I didn't buy this. My brother gave this to me, and he just said, here, open this on your YouTube channel. See what it is. So that's what we're doing. I'm kind of curious to see what this is. If it's going to be like because I don't think there was no options. It's just kind of like a one box you just get, and that's kind of it. Okay, we got some packing material, and it says man seal, tear it up. So that's what we got, and we got some paper here. Let's see, man seal, tear it up. All right, I'll tear it up. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, let me get my glasses out because I got some stuff wrote on here. Man, what is this? Okay, it says you are the man. Live it up. Enjoy 20% off at Boxzie, B-O-X-Z-I-E, U.S. Gifts. They got a little code there. I don't know if that's going to focus. Let's see if I can get some light, more light. There you go. There you go. Okay, so we are man, which I don't think that's going to fly in our country because of, you say that, you get in all kinds of trouble. So I don't know how they could sell this. I don't want to go down that rabbit hole. Anyway. Okay, so what we got in here, we got a couple things. We got us a little ferro rod. Okay. I thought it might have detached. Okay, we got a little ferro rod in this little pouch here. Let's see what else we got. What is this? It's going to be some kind of little cheap multi-knife. Yep. Okay. Boy, it's actually kind of beefy. Okay. It's got some cordage wrapped around it. So this is just probably a water jetted or a stamped piece. It has some I'm talking about super swamper size tire, jimping up here. Okay. Got like a little kind of a Tonto-ish blade. It's got some cordage wrapped around the handle of it. Shouldn't have worn my black shirt. The one time I wear my black shirt, everything in this box is black or green. All right, so that's what we got. We'll put this little protector back on the edge here so we don't mess her up. Okay, so we got a little knife that goes in this little sheath that has a little ferro rod, and you can definitely use the top of the spine here to strike on that little ferro rod. So, okay, all right, it's got some little Velcro on there. It does have a little belt loop, so you can hook it to your belt. Okay, very manly. All right. Then we got a. Let's see, we're the man. Let's see, I'll put this right. How about this? I'll put this right here because we the man. I'm going to put that up back there on my stuff just because it says you are the man. All right, we got a fire starting rod, a ferro rod, and tender rope. Tender rope. Okay. So this is going to be some of that stuff I've got a lot of. It's just like that hemp kind of rope that has, it's infused with some kind of like petroleum-based something or other. But, it does do the job. It will start real good, nice and easy. And they actually do give you a ferro rod. And I do like this ferro rod. It's very nice, very beefy. That's like a 3/8. You know, it's like a 3/8 size ferro rod. It's got this nice wooden handle. I like that. And then we got a little striker on here. I've seen these strikers before. You know, I've gotten them in other, you know, boxes and with other strikers and stuff. So it has some graduation marks here for 0 to 50 millimeter. It has a little serrated, you know, yeah, edge there, and it does have this little cut in for something, popping a bottle top, or maybe like one size of a tool or something. But yeah, you know, very, very generic, but I do like it, so I'm not gonna knock it. This little kit, I like this. It's a very big box just to put these two little items in, but that's okay. You know, it works. Okay, all right. Are you feeling manly yet? That's the question, though. You know, as we go through this stuff, are you feeling real manly? Because we're supposed to be feeling manly. This is a man box. All right. We got us a mug that we can put whatever type of liquid that we deem fit to go in here. Some manly liquid. All right. Enjoy hot or cold beverage, stainless steel, double vacuum insulated. All right, nice. And I tell you what, this thing does seem to be really, really beefy. Very well made. It's got that cool like green, got the stainless steel inside. Got a nice gasket. All right, all right. Just your typical, has a little drinking slot down here that the little piece of plastic you push down, it covers it up, you know. Seen hundreds of these before, and you just push her on there like that, creates a seal. So there you go. All right, I will say this is not bad. I like that. That's not bad. Okay. All right. Now, again, are we feeling manly yet? I'm gonna keep asking every time, because this is supposed to be some manly stuff going on here. All right, we got some Coffee Grit Man Soap, rinse and grind. All natural soap made with coffee grinds. Okay. Cream and sugar optional. No parabens, no sulfates, 100% natural. It has shea butter, coconut oil, sunflower oil, olive oil. Wow. Vitamin C, vitamin E, coffee beans, walnut granules for probably give you a little texture. Okay. All right. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. It's a very small bar soap, but I really want to smell it though, because like it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell like coffee beans. It doesn't smell like coffee beans. But okay, it says it's coffee grit. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna make another plug. If you want some really good soap, if you're a guy and you want some really good all-natural soap, get on that Dr. Squatch. I ought to do a review on Dr. Squatch soap. I've got a lot of it. I use their deodorant, their soap, everything. I love it. Absolutely love it. Man, that thing's irritated my nose. All right, and finally, the last thing to make us feel like a man on a special occasion is a man candle. It says light it up. Soy and palm wax candle. Boy, this would drive my wife crazy if I lit this. Coconut, cedar, and sandalwood. Smells good. You know, it's just a one wick candle. Man, we'll say it does smell good. Here, you guys smell that? You feel like a man yet? Do you feel like a man yet? That's the question. Do you feel like a man? That's it. This is in the man box, and we got a bunch of fire tender. Okay, so in our China, we got man box. This is mainly in China. We got a really cool mug. I'll give them that. And you know, I'm not disappointed with the fire starter kit here. The soap is kind of meh to me, and this is, you know, cheap generic, you know, stuff. But I will say, you know, if you were to just give this, let's see, you are the man. There you go. You are the man. You are the man. Unless you're a woman. And according to Google, I have like maybe 2 or 3 women that watch these videos. So maybe this is an idea. You know, if you got a guy, get him this generic man box from Boxzie. Boxzie. I'm gonna look them up when I get done with this video and see if this is, you know, I'm assuming that's the company, Boxzie. I'm gonna check them out and see. I don't know. That's it. What you guys think? Everybody can go do some Googling, you know, and go on Amazon, I guess. Because like I said, I don't even know how much this cost. It's just, it was a gift box. But I will say, this is cool. This is cool. The candles smell good. This is generic, and the coffee grip, no. I don't care. I don't care about that. So I'm going to tell you right now, if you want some good soap, like I said, the Dr. Squatch, for me, I like the Wood Barrel Bourbon soap. And you can get them at a really good price at Walmart. I hate to say that. I hate to plug Walmart, but go to Walmart. If you got a Walmart right by your store, next time you're in there, go. And for some reason, that stuff is not where the soap is. Like at our Walmart, it's on an aisle, not where the soap is. It's in that area, but not right there where you think it would be. Like, I thought they didn't have it, and I went down, and like, there's the aisle, and there's the back wall. I walked down the aisle, didn't see it, and I walked down, turned, and on the back aisle wall, just on a little section, there was a bunch of Dr. Squatch stuff. And it's still there to this day, and that's been like over a year ago. So that stuff smells awesome. And the Wood Barrel Bourbon soap has grit. It has probably like this one had. What did it say? It had crushed walnut shells. They also do like crushed coconut shells. They'll put that in there to give you some grit, you know, when you use the soap. Man, it's awesome. I love this stuff. I even use the deodorant because it doesn't have aluminum in it. You know, it doesn't have all the chemicals and stuff. So, yeah. But, yeah, anyway, tell me what you think about this. This just man box. You know, if you would have got this, if somebody would have gave you this on your birthday or something like that, you know, would you have been happy? Would you have been like, man, you really don't like me? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go Google this stuff. I'm gonna go Google this company and see, you know, what they're all about. All right, that's it, guys. That's all I got. I'm looking around as per usual, but I'm looking around with a purpose because I wanted to show you guys this from the last video, which was an hour long. Man, I didn't mean for that video to be an hour long. But a lot of you watched it to the end because you made some comments that let me know you watched all the way to the end. So I really appreciate it. But here we opened the tourniquet holder and the tourniquet from Tacticom. And this is what it looks like when the tourniquet is in the holder. It has this contour down the middle for the bar to you know, slide into. And that's it all the way in. And like, this is the top. Man, I wore the wrong color shirt. But anyway, this is the top of it right here. So, and this is where your belt loop is. So yeah, it ended up looking really, really cool. You know, I thought this would be really neat to have on your you know, on your tactical belt or whatever. So yeah, I just was really, really impressed with this. And you know, yeah. But I do have this. I got this. I'm going to do a video on this next. This is my Geiger counter. So you guys said you wanted to see that, so I'm gonna do a video on that next. And yeah, it's Sunday. It is 7 o'clock. I'm going to try to get this video up. I apologize for how late I put that barrel and blade video up because when I got done making it and edited it really fast, uploaded it to YouTube, it took over an hour and a half. Yeah, it was about an hour and a half for YouTube to process it before I could post it. Just slow, man, running slow. I'm going to try to get this video up here really soon. So yeah, hopefully you have something to watch tonight, and I'm going to do this video so you have something to watch Monday night. And then Tuesday, rolling into Tuesday, we're going to be doing the giveaway for the zero tolerance knife, the MREs. So make sure you're checking out that video if you're new to the channel and you're just watching this video. How you doing? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And back up in the channel, I got a giveaway going that ends this Tuesday. What, the 12th, I think? Go back to that video and check it out. All you got to do is go in the comment section and tell me what kind of knives you like. Tell me why. All right, guys. That's it. I'm out of here. I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace.